Hello, I'm John Wolter, instructor for Winthrop University's WRIT 501, Writing for New Media for the fall 2015. And in this short video, I'm going to show you what you need to do for minor assignment number 8. First thing you want to do is come to this page here, scalar.usc.edu/scalar/signup. The link to this page is on both the week 6 schedule under minor assignment 8, and it's on the minor assignment 8 guidelines. So you can go to either of those two pages, you can get the link, it'll bring you here. You want to come here, and normally you would click on this button. I've been using Scalar for over a year. This button's always worked. This morning, for whatever reason, it's not working for me. So if this button doesn't work, you can also come down here to registration page and click on registration page. You'll want to type in your email address and fill out the rest of this form. Use your full name, use your name. Because your Scalar page is private, so you can use your name and only you'll be able to see it, plus the people you allow to see it. Put in passwords, agree to the terms of services, give your project a title. Now, the assignment is your technological literacy collage, the Scalar version of it. However, your own assignment should have its own title, just like in all your essays you want to give real titles to. Give your assignment a real title if you haven't yet, and use that title there. And then you've got the the thing that you prove that you're human. And these are all pretty easy, unlike some others. The Scalar ones, they just use numbers. And obviously if you can't see one, you can click on this to refresh and get another one, etc. So you do all that, you click on register, and it will create an account for you, and will take you to this page here. Scalar 2 is still in beta. It's almost ready for release, but we're not going to mess with it because it's not yet fully implemented, and I have a bunch of training videos on how to use Scalar that are for the earlier version, and so it'll just make our lives a little bit easier if we just stick with this one, especially since Scalar 2 is not yet out. So what you'll do is, right now we're in the earlier version of Scalar, the one that's currently the active one. You'll see here, you've got your books. So this is actually your project right here. You also have your dashboard. And I'll explain more of this interface stuff and you can later on. But what you can do is you can click on your book here, and it'll ask you again to sign yourself in. And we're signed in. We're in our book. So you see there's no content yet. Again, we'll cover all this a little bit later in some other videos, but we're in here. And one thing to note now is to click on your dashboard. That's what you want to do next. So we're here at the dashboard. I'll point out two things. This is a little side trip here. What this here is sharing. Note right now, availability, make URL public. No. All the basic default settings for your Scalar project is to make it entirely private. You are the only person who can actually access your project. So everything, no one else can see it, no one else can get into it, no one can add comments, etc. You can change all this if you want to. You can make it as public as you want. You do not have to. What we're going to do instead, if you click on Book Users, oops, I'd already added me, so I'll remove that there. So this is, you'll see something like this, and the person who is added in, who is a user for your book will be you. Now, what you want to do is add me so that I can actually access your project. I can help you. I can look at it, help you if you have problems, and of course, see it once it's done. So you click on Add User, this button down here, and you then want to type in John Wolter. Type in my name. Hit search. I still happen to be the only John Wolter in Scalar. So you want to select me by clicking on the name, and you'll see now that I have been added. John Wolter's added. That's John Wolter, or John P. Wolter at gmail.com, and there's the About Me, John P. Wolter. If you're in any doubt, you can click on, you should have this About Me, and you can click on it to see if it actually takes you to the me that's got the biography that's similar to the biography on our course website. So what this means, I've now been added, and it means that I can actually see your project. Actually, it defaults to giving me author status, which is good, I won't make changes to your site, but it will let me actually have kind of look at everything in case you have a problem. I can sort of really delve in and figure out what's going on. So I can say, hey, this is why you're having a problem. So once you've added me, what you then want to do is click on here, back to your book, and make sure you don't need to bookmark it, because if you log in, you'll have to a Scalar, it'll take you. But if you want to, you can. It might be easy just because if you have the address bookmarked, it'll take you straight to it. But you do want to get your book. Do you want to get the URL to your site, and then you want to copy it and you want to paste it into a direct message in Slack and send that to me. And you do that, you've completed assignment number 8.